swum here before.
Huh?
I think we swam here before.
We did?
Yeah.
Oh, and then somebody came down with their dog or something?
Oh, there's like a teepee thing.
Look at this nice deep water.
Look at the teepee.
Yeah.
Wow, this would be a great place to fish.
We'll come back. What can we fish here?
Steelhead.
There's the eagle. I wonder if it'll fly away.
Doesn't look like it's going to.
Maybe it's looking for fish.
It's looking at us.
What's
I
to be
think
like?
that the spring might be the best time. Like
Yeah.
a little more water.
Yes.
We should put it on our calendar. Spring canoe time.
We should start in April.
Yeah. For my birthday.
Okay.
After a week-long surf trip, then we can do a canoe trip.
Oh, that sounds fun. Bird right there on the rock.
Yeah. Water. Perfect. Yeah, I think if you can do that, it'll help keep the canoe really straight and,
Yeah.
you know, we'll stay out of trouble.
Okay.
Okay. More rapids.
Okay. Ooh. I
Down the
think
middle.
we're ready for Big Bend.
What's Big Ben?
Can you do a little steer to the left?
What are all those
Hey, it
things?
worked. You did it, Orion.
Look, they planted all those
Yeah.
posts over there.
Yeah, they did them all over the place.
Oh, that's for the fish too?
I don't do the same post.
They thought the water would go way up there. Holy crap, really?
Yeah, I think if we were kneeling, it would have been better.
I've seen fish laying in here before.
Hmm.
These rocks.
Yeah.
Looks like we got a little challenge here.
Oh, wow.
Doesn't look that bad.
I have a feeling we're going to be able to go over that. Well, they make sort of heavy duty zip blocks for cell
yeah.
phones.
Yeah.
I'll order you one.
Shallow again up here.
Try a little of your turn technique. You can say this with us. Yeah. There you go. Good. Oh, I see what you're thinking.
To the left.
You just steered a little bit. There you go.
You have a fishing pole?
Have a snack. Hi guys.
I feel so lucky.
Yeah?
So beautiful.
Ryan, I think it's like more like this. Like,
It's like this. This is
Yeah.
how you do it.
see, canoes are like a sail. They catch the wind.
Yeah. Hey, what happened, guys?
We went through that rock there.
That was a
And
log.
we did a perfect execution. But water came over the gunnels. Let's ring this out. What?
It could have been way worse.
I thought we did a good job.
Yeah.
What do you mean way worse?
It could have been.
They're up there where he's going in, I think. How's the water?
Cold.
It's a little deep to do that move. Swim over here closer to the shore. There you go. Now you can do it.
Ryan, I have your
Are you filming me? I'm nose riding this log.
Looks good.
I'm trying to do a soul arch, but I keep thinking I'm gonna fall.
What's a soul arch?
This is a soul arch.
Oh. You did it.
It's hard.
Did you go all the way?
Yeah. Then bounce it.
Geez. That looked easier.
Isn't it fun?
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
do a soul arch.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
I think we're setting up for things better.
Water's so clear.
Yeah. Hey, a waterfall. Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Hi. I thought you were filming the water. Film Orion. Sounds like geese. Where are they? You see them?
Yeah, behind the slide.
Did you see the little baby geese?
Ryan,
Yeah.
how are you liking this canoe trip versus other ones we've been on?
I don't know. It's pretty great. Bit hot. Heating up a bit. I don't know. Pretty cold.
Swimmable though?
I mean, yeah, but it's still cold.
Do you think you'll go on another canoe journey soon?
I mean, probably.
Will you
'cause
do this
guys
again?
Are gonna...
You'll do it with us more?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Here comes some rapids, guys. You have to swim real hard to get onto that rock.
I'm not gonna try.
What rock?
Look how fast he's going.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're gonna hit the ground again here.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
We'll probably go through.
Another like tree thing.
Let's go on the right. Here's our private swimming hole, and we just got done swimming, and here's Melissa having a hot stone massage sun bath. Say hi, Melissa.
Warming me. Do you
What?
want to try it?
Yeah, I wanted to try it.
It's nice. I'll do it on you.
Okay. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
We're drying out the canoe after our crazy over the falls run. And Orion is getting fortified with a delicious sandwich.
Yep.
This is near the end of our journey.
Yeah. Hi. It's near the end of our journey.
And we all got a little sunburn.
Not as much as those dudes at the riverbank.
That's true.
Those guys were burned by 10 a.m.
We had some really
Drunk
nice.
by 9, burned by 10. Now who knows what they're doing?
Who knows? We had some really nice swimming.
Drunk driving at 5.
Oh my goodness, I hope not.
Shortcut you would take to like when you dropped me off instead of turning and just kept going. Yeah. You kind of like went out and you come out like behind Vic's over there. That neighborhood back there is really nice.
Carleo neighborhood?
No.
The journey is over. We got back to our car.
Want to bring the car over after?